Good morning, everybody out there in YouTube and social media loving hummingbird land. Last couple of days, it's been the high 50s in temperature down here in South Alabama, Montgomery, Prattville. And I went from plus 50 hummingbirds down to about 20. As soon as that temperature drops off, and you have to understand, especially here in Alabama, last month or two, we've had over 100-degree temperatures. The migrating hummingbirds have come on through Alabama and they're headed south. But I still have a few. And I usually keep some until October, even November. They're doing well. I'm going to reduce a few hummingbird feeders. It's funny, the day before the 58 degrees, which was 2 days ago, I bought 2 brand new ones. So I have lots of hummingbird feeders now. They're not fighting near as much, but they still like to have a go at each other. So today is September 20th, 2023. Just thought I would share. Hate to see them leave. However, they're on a journey that most people will never even consider making. They're a miracle of nature, that's for sure. Well, y'all take care of this. The old man doing stuff down here in Prattville, Montgomery, Alabama. Sitting on the back porch in the morning, having morning coffee, enjoying the hummingbirds.